Hello everyone, this is Shobhus from Purinex. Today I am introducing this machine. This machine name is electric tornado machine. Look at this, what is my hand? There is a lot of variants connector. This is high voltage energy storage connector. Also you can see there is various types of connector. Now I'm going to tell you what is the good side of this machine. This machine fully electric, no need to air compressor. Thus you can use it by electric. Now I'm gonna tell you how to operate this machine. Now this one is tight. This connector is tight. Now I'm gonna lose this connector. If you want to lose this connector, you have to put it first here, and you have to select. Then you have to push it. Look at this, how it is already loosed. Now I am going to tighten this one again. So look this connector. This connector usually used for solar connector than in medical industry for assemble medical equipments. So this machine can save you time. Guys, find a high quality, high speed machine, reliable price. So if you need this machine, please feel free to contact with us.